Hi, this is Bruce Catlin, the running artist, and today we have a wounded little bird. It's a little finch, I believe, a female finch, who ran into one of our many windows here. And this is her recovery box in the emergency ward here at the Running Artist Institute. And I think she has a concussion, but we may be able to save her. Let's see, she's wrapped in her warm towel, covered in the dark for 20 minutes, and now we're going to see if we can set her free or not. I think it's going to be good. Yep, she's up and out. Can you see in the box there? Here she is, ready to fly. Terrific. Yes! So good. Doesn't always happen that way. Sometimes they don't survive, but that's a good day. Saved a life. Isn't that great? All right. Well, we'll see you on the trails and in the trees as Bruce Catlin, the running artist. Till next time.